If you're looking to make some extra cash, or even start a new career, then Fiverr could be the perfect platform for you. Fiverr is a website where you can offer your services for $5. If you can do it, chances are there's someone on Fiverr who will pay you to do it. How does Fiverr work? It's simple. You create a gig, which is basically a listing for your service. People browse the gigs, and if they like what you're offering, they'll order it. Once you complete the gig, you'll get paid. It's that easy. There are all sorts of ways to make money on Fiverr. If you're creative, you can come up with all sorts of services to offer. And if you're not so creative, you can always browse the gigs that others have created and see if there's anything you can do. So, if you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, why not give Fiverr a try? You might be surprised at how much money you can make. With over 3 million services available on the site, there's definitely something for everyone.